Hi, in today's video we want to see how to navigate very fast in our project. One way is to go from here. For example, let's suppose we want to go to page 50. So very easy, double click, 50, and I'm here. Now I want page 20. Another way is a shortcut, Ctrl G, and I press 20 and I'm there. Another way is from the sidebar. You can see here the navigator, and we can see chapters and subchapters. So if I want to go to second chapter from my book, I double click on that and I am there, and I can edit what I need. Also, we can go here and have page, and we can move from here one page at a time. And a new way we can activate from tools. So let's go to the beginning of the project. Let's go to tools, options, and here in LibreOffice Writer, view, activate show outline folding buttons and include sublevels. Apply OK. So now you can see I have these drop downs arrows. Okay. So for example, if I'm working just on the first chapter, I can close everything else. So my project now is having one page. Instead of 100 pages, I can see just my first chapter. My first chapter with the first subtitle and the second subtitle. If I'm working just here, I keep just this open. When I finish the first subtitle, I have nothing to edit. I close this and I will go in the next one. I edit what I have to do and I close it. And now, for example, I want to work in the last chapter. Everything is closed except what I work on. So this way is much easier to have less content in your visible in your document. So you don't need to scroll all the pages to find something. You have this navigator on the right and you can find whatever you need. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.